Hi, it's Sarah here from Crafting and Stamping, and I'm here with a little extra video today because it's a mini unboxing of the birthday card organiser kit, and I thought I'd just go through what the contents include because I think that this is something that works really well in two different ways as possible Christmas gifts. So it comes like this. It would be wrapped up, I think, I'm trying to remember now. But it comes boxed up like this, and we open it up, and these are our contents here. So let me pull these out, and of course you've got that box which makes a great little gift box as well. So if you are gifting this entirely as it is, it's a great little gift for somebody who perhaps needs to do a little bit of crafting but maybe isn't that crafty, they don't have all their own supplies, etc. Then this is a great Christmas gift for somebody who might want to just do a little bit to start off. So what we've got in here, we've got some tear and tape included, and then this is our organiser kit. Just being careful to make sure that I take that off without damaging anything. And you've got the get started leaflet within here, instructions for how to use, and it's got its own little ruler on the edges of the instructions. It gives picture directions for how to assemble everything, and we'll be coming back to some of these later. So also included, we've got some iridescent sequins, we've got some glue dots, we've got some dimensionals, and that's as well as the tear and tape roll that we've got in there as well. We've got envelopes, and we've got these in two different designs with printed linings to them. So you've got half a dozen in this sort of green check, and we've got half a dozen in the more crumb cake stripes. So we've got our envelopes like that, and then we've got our cards. So we've got, let me pull these out, we've got a set of cards here. These are all to be just folded and used. They're plain on the inside. And as you can see, we've got two different patterns on the outside. That's for half a dozen of the cards. And then the other half dozen are these black and grey spots. And again, plain on the inside, and just a pattern on one side here. So, but that's not to say you can't use that side as your front if you want to. Then we've also got these press out pieces that we're going to use for decorating. Some of these are for decorating the cards, some of them are for decorating our organiser. So I'll just pop those to one side for now. And we've got months of the year, we've got them in different languages. So if you're getting a gift for somebody who's French or German, and I think we might have got Dutch here as well, then we've got the stickers. These will peel back and are adhesive. So then we've got the It's Your Day. We've got some more sort of banners here that we'll be using. Happiest birthday. So I'll have a little look at those in a bit. And this is the actual card organiser itself. So this is included with this kit. We've got folders to be able to put some of our cards in when they're finished. We've got these numbered areas for each month. So you can see, and these are pockets in themselves, so you'll be able to actually put some of your cards, if you know which month they're for, you can put those in here. You can write on people's birthdays, when their birthdays are. And if you've got some extra cards, then you can put them in this pocket here. So we've got enough for all of the months of the year. And then the back cover also has another pocket as well. It's already decorated to some extent with printing on the outside, but we can decorate it further with some of these elements here, and or you can colour in over the top. I've seen that already on Pinterest, etc., and that gives a really lovely look, makes it look a little bit different. So that's really just what the contents are. I just wanted to go over the contents first. And during week commencing, which will it be? Week commencing the 7th of November, I'll be doing projects with these throughout the week. So we'll be starting off with a couple of quick cards, actually following pretty much the directions for these for the first session, but I'm also going to show you some other ideas of what else you can do with these. So please do come back and have a look at my YouTube videos for the finished articles, but I hope that that's just giving you an idea of what's inside the kit. Like I said, you could either buy this and just wrap it up as it is and gift it to a friend. I've actually bought this one. I'm going to put together cards and a few different cards and gift the finished organiser as a gift for my mum. So she won't be watching this, I'm sure, so I don't think it's going to spoil any surprises. But then she's got a birthday card organiser kit to see her through 2023. So I hope that this gives you some ideas for you know, using this kit. Use it for yourself, gift it as a crafting kit to give somebody a little bit of a break from their usual work day. Gift it as a finished product where you've put together the cards and they've got something that they can use year round. Thank you for stopping by.